I don't know if you can see here, but it's almost finished. Just 11 minutes left. This part's usually the most anticipatory. Stay tuned. Alright, let's see if this bad boy came out. Alright, looks pretty good so far. Alright, let's get him out of there. Add some lights here. I'm just gonna do that. Put it down. I'm gonna put my gloves on. Now we got our gloves on. Safety first. Number one. Anyway, get our spatula. Let's take this bad boy off. Well, quite nicely. Now, man, you going? And we're off. Yes. So usually I try and peel off all the support before I put them in the vat, but I think I'll probably just put them in like that to soften it. But I see some good flame action. His tail came out pretty cool. Alright. This is good. Let's get him washed. So also this is going to dirty up our water more, but it'll make it so much easier to take it off. And there she goes. Woo! Hello, bubble bath. So if you use other resins of color or solid colors like gray, you're gonna have bits in there, so you're gonna want to wash that good before you cure. Otherwise, you'll have like gray bits stuck on your clear parts, and that's no good. So let's let it run and get back to it when it's finished. Alright, so it is washed. See what it looks like. Ooh, I'm liking it. Another thing is these supports are a lot softer now. So let's see if we can get it off here. No. Too much. Owie. Distraction. Let's try to take it apart for you here before your eyes. It's okay. Nothing is broken. Look at that. Still gotta remove some flash. But it looks pretty dope so far. So here he is. Pretty clean. I think he came out pretty darn good, tail and all. He's super flamey. Probably just add a little bit of paint somewhere just to make some spots pop. But other than that, I think it'll look pretty good. If you want to see more, please subscribe.